Hey everyone, welcome back to the YakChat channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view and interact with your Outlook contacts right inside YakChat. Let's get started. First, open up the YakChat app on your device. Once you're in, head to the Contacts section by selecting it from the drop-down menu. Now click on the Outlook tab. Here's where all your Outlook contacts appear, ready for you to message directly. No need to switch between apps. You'll notice that YakChat automatically syncs your Outlook folders or categories. These show up as tags on the right-hand side of each contact, making it super easy to see how your contacts are organized. And here's a great feature. You can click on any of those tags to send a message to everyone in that category at once. If you're trying to find someone specific, just use the search bar at the top. Type in their name, and YakChat will instantly pull up their contact details from Outlook. You can also add Outlook contacts directly when you're creating a new message. Just head over to the Chat tab, start a new message, and click the Add Contacts button in the top right corner. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Outlook and choose who you want to add to your chat. Easy. And that's it. You now know how to view, search, and message your Outlook contacts right from YakChat. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our latest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on YakChat.